What if I told you that some of India's biggest and boldest startups are getting ready to enter the stock market? Yes, from FinTech and hospitality to e-commerce and D2C, a fresh wave of Indian startups is gearing up for the public debut. And trust me, these are not your regular listings. These are ecosystem-defining IPOs. So which names are buzzing in the market circle? Let's dive into the top 5 startup IPOs to look out for. If there is one IPO everyone is waiting for, it's PhonePe. Backed by Walmart, PhonePe is not just a payment app anymore. It's an entire financial ecosystem. From UPI and mutual funds to insurance and loans, they are doing it all. And here is the big move. The company has already shifted its base from Singapore to India. Wondering why? Well, of course, to go public right here in the Indian market. It has already onboarded heavyweights like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Citi and Kotak as advisors. And media reports claim that it could file its IPO papers as soon as August. This could be India's most high-profile fintech IPO yet. Next up, we have the unicorn that needs no introduction. It's Oyo. After multiple delays, it looks like Ritesh Agarwal and his team are finally back on track. Oyo could file its DRHP between August and September, and the financials also look promising. In FY25, the company posted a massive 172% increase in profit, touching Rs 623 crore. That's a solid comeback from the shaky pandemic years. Oyo says it's focused on good governance, a strong board, and consistent earnings. All the right boxes that an IPO really needs. Unlike others, Meesho is playing it smart and quiet. This SoftBank-backed startup has filed IPO via the confidential route. That means the details are kept under wraps for now, but here is what we do know. It will most probably be a secondary share sale, and the startup has on tier with its low-cost seller model. Meesho's rise in tier 2 and tier 3 cities is definitely incredible. It's brought millions of small sellers online, especially women entrepreneurs. So all of this together is definitely going to help Meesho go public. From quirky glasses to serious investor interest, Lenskart IPO is also ready. Founded by Piyush Bansal, the Shark Tank fame entrepreneur, Lenskart recently shifted from private company to a public company. A formal step that is required to launch an IPO. It's backed by powerhouses, investors like SoftBank, T-Mask, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, KKR, Alpha Wave Global, and many more. With its omni-channel strategy and international expansion, Lenskart could be defining D2C IPO story really soon. And finally, let's talk about Bo, the homegrown wearables brand that changed how Indians buy earbuds and smartwatches. Its parent company, Imagine Marketing, had already filed for a 2,000 crore IPO in 2022. But pulled out due to market volatility. Now it's back with a confidential filing, and this time it has Goldman Sachs, Nomura, and ICICI Securities backing the IPO. With solid brand recall and strong Gen Z appeal, this could be one of the most exciting youth-driven IPOs in the Indian market so far. So there you have it. 5 of the hottest IPOs to track in the Indian startup ecosystem. From fintech and hospitality to e-commerce and wearables, these are not just IPOs, they are the new face of India's innovation economy. Hit the like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to follow us for more stories from India's buzzing startup ecosystem. Also, keep reading TICE.news for more enticing startup stories. See you in the next video.